thank you for having us here on this, committee or advisory committee. It's great to team up with all of you on this mission and to create a conversation and alignment across stakeholders. A few things just wanted to park. I would also like to see if we want to consider adding impact investors as a interested audience in our forum, because there are a lot of impact investors apart from the CSR funding agencies who bring innovative capital to the space, and also capital which is a little bit more future focused and allow us to be a little bit more risk taking in terms of the project design and experimentation per se, right? Maybe that would be one suggestion. We are really looking forward to the next few sessions as this goes forward to see how this could be shaped. But coming back to Worldreader, just 2 minutes so that everybody here has a context. We are a global nonprofit, and we believe readers build better worlds. And we focus on nurturing self-motivated readers with comprehension by the grade 5, or basically age 11 or 12 around the world. And we focus on working with children in the most marginalized communities by using the extremely frugal technology which is available. So we make digital books work on phones as cheap as $7, and with data compression and human-centered design of how a semi-literate or a illiterate parent can actually use that tool with their children. Of course, our work is inspired on the work which is done by a lot of other people in the reading space, with physical books and digital books and a lot of other stuff. But our chosen mechanism is to come and argument after the first few physical books somebody could buy have been purchased, and then what happens, right? And that's where we step in. And we believe in providing access to these digital books to the stakeholders around the children. It could be the daycare facilitators, it could be the parents and caregivers at home, as well as teachers who could use it in the primary grade classroom. So we start our work as early as the child can, or the child and the parent can engage, and then try to see them through, grade 5 and hopefully become intrinsic readers with comprehension. The role we play in the ecosystem is work with donors who are future focused and have the ability and foresight to bet big on technology for good, to create assets which we then deploy and give it out to a variety of partners who are working with the children on the ground, right? So we do some projects of ours which are showcase projects and research projects, but 90% or more of our impact is actually created by our partner ecosystem who use our technology and assets in their programs. And that's an interesting model which we're trying to do. If we could, let's say there are 300 NGOs trying to do education work, all of them need books. So instead of everybody trying to do that, can we take a step back a little bit and create the assets which could be available for all those nonprofits? And that's the role we like to play. We look forward to this conversation and this forum as we go forward, because like people were saying, instead of every player figuring out the whole 91 puzzles available in the system to solve, if each one of us can take different pieces and solve them well and then integrate and collaborate, I think we can move the needle quite a bit. And if these, and we are also starting to see that in the CSR and foundation and donor network, a lot of these people are also demanding from the NGO sector a far more innovative, future-focused approach, which can be done in 3 different. One, impact is imperative. That's the first thing. It has to be there. Second, can we use technology in some way to scale that? And also, pass on the agency of using technology, not just to the intermediaries, these like teachers and daycares, but also to the parents, hopefully. And then the third, like somebody was talking about, can we actually see the data? And the purpose of seeing the data is not to critique anything, but data actually tells us a story. It shows what is working, what is not working, and we can use the data as a forensics tool for our program design. And I think, Worldreader has been in action for the last 10 years. We have over 19 million readers, over 60 plus countries reading on our platform through various partners who are using it. We have good amount of reading data, which we still have to start deciphering. And I think people were talking about AI and machine learning and how we understand data better from learning outcomes point of view. So those are all areas where we would like to partner with anybody in this forum, and as we go forward, others who may join. So thank you for pulling us into this conversation and into this initiative. We look forward to working with you all on this and, try a little bit to move the needle.